Today's video is regarding HP DeskJet 2742e printer. I'm going to show you how to do the quick unboxing and initial setup of the printer. Now the first step is to unbox it. Starter ink cartridges. So you get one set of that, black and color. Take the printer out of the box. This is the manual. Press the power button. Wait for the printer to start. Now we have to install the SetUp ink cartridges. To install the SetUp ink cartridges, remove the ink cartridges from the plastic packaging. And this printer uses HP Instant Ink Ready 67, black and color. Remove the orange seal which is at the bottom of the ink cartridge. Open the front door, so just push it from here. So you have to apply little extra force here, and you will see there is another door behind here. So this is the second door. Once you open it, wait for the ink cartridges chamber to come in the middle. Also, if you want to know what is the replacement ink cartridge number, so that will show here, that is number 67, you can see. Now install the color ink cartridge on the color side here and push it in with little extra force. Hold the printer with the other hand. Once you install the ink cartridges, close this chamber. To load the paper, you have to push this up, this lid. You can also load 4x6, 5x7. So there are different size of sheets you can load for different purpose. So this is the A4 size, which is a full size here. So once we install it, our printer is ready for the copy. And if you want, I'll show you how to do that. To do a copy, we have to open the top scanner lid and place a page facing downwards here. On the control panel, you will see the black button at the bottom, that is for black copy, and tricolor is on the top just above that. So press any button. So the print quality is good. Overall, it's very easy to set up the printer. So initial setup is easy. You can simply install the ink cartridges and straight away you can start using this printer. Thanks for watching.